Hi, this is James from Idonix, and I'm here to show you how to integrate the Idonix Voyager plugins with UX. Here we have a column chart in a virtual studio set up and ready to go. So we will start by adding the UX controller for the column chart into the level. So we need to give this an ID, which will help identify it within UX. And we also need to select which graphic this controller relates to. What this will do is set up a collection of UX data nodes and event nodes that can then be executed from within UX. So if we save and let's get that running, we will switch over to UX. So within UX, we've set up 3 events: set data, animate, and all out, which will be used to control the column chart. So we'll start by adding a new logic node, and we will set up our data source, which for this example, we'll use a JSON text file. So here we have our JSON text file. So we shall add a renderer logic node, and here you can see we have the ID that we entered earlier, column chart 1, and a bunch of actions such as animate and set data. So for our data source, we shall link the text file to that node. And then we want to add a UX event trigger of set data. And that event will trigger the column chart 1 set data event. And what this will do is snapshot the data, build a sequence, and then allow us to animate through it. So next we will add another UX event trigger. We will use the animate event, and we will connect that to the column chart 1 animate event within Voyager. And again, that needs to be index 1 for the event. And then finally, we'll add one more UX event trigger for the all out and connect that to the all out event for column chart 1. Again, adding the index 1. And we shall call this column chart control. Okay, so now if we take a look at Voyager, and we can now animate by clicking set data to snapshot our JSON and animate to bring in the graph. And we can animate again to bring on the second column, and so on until they're all in.